So now we have Jose and Shorty together. This is an original dump truck. Or the white one. And here's the Shorty. And it's only a foot difference in length. This one here is 12 foot from center to center, and this one is 11. But this is the heavy spec one compared to the other truck here. Sorry, it's dark. So, yeah. So we're gonna do quite a few modifications to this truck here to get it roadworthy and everything we need to make it what it's supposed to be. So we got front fender to fix, we got lights to fix, we got some rust to fix. You know, just usual stuff when these pickup truck cabs, the cab quarters go, and sometimes the bottom of the doors go. This one here not bad. The other side needs some work, of course. Driver's side always takes more abuse. But yeah, so in reality, the orange and white truck is probably in a little better condition than this one here, but you know, it's the dump truck. It's been used for what it's meant to be used as. So yeah, so we're gonna do probably we're gonna be doing on this one pretty soon. Some time, God willing. And we're gonna get a 20 ton jack. I have to order one from Princess Auto, similar to Harbor Freight here in Canada. And I'm going to be getting some 2x6s, and I'm going to pile them up. The jack at this front end. Now we're not sure what the guy hit and what is bent on this thing. It could be a tower end, we don't know, but definitely needs how do they call it? Kingpin bushings. Go replace them. Probably wore out, who knows. I don't know why I took it apart, but we'll find out, I guess. So, but yeah, there's the damage there. Of course, we're not too, obviously we want to fix it and get it the best we can, but it is a truck, so we need to peel the badges off, and I think next year we're going to be painted. Same color scheme, this one here. This one here has the orange inside, this one has the white, and I'm going to keep it the same, and we're going to make it, this one, we're going to make it same as this one here. We're going to have it orange and white, so they're identical. So, but, I like my GMC trucks, I always have. There's one I'm looking at to another one, but I can't afford everything, so, but the other one's actually a little bit different, this one here, but anyways, there you have it. So, there's GMC, these old trucks are easy to work on. Anyways, battery's gonna be dying here soon. So anyways, these trucks are easy to work on, and they're affordable to buy, and they're easy, just easy in general. But anyways, we'll show you some more when we get some better daylight. So anyways, just want to show you guys that the truck is home, and we're gonna be putting it right there here soon, and we're gonna jack it up, and we're gonna start working on this front spindle here. As we get time, take it all apart. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna get the Kingpin removal tool. I seen it on Amazon or eBay. We'll take them apart and we'll fix them, and just like to pressure wash it underneath and then paint it, because this is gonna be my main dump truck going forward. So, but anyways, I'm pretty sure we'll find all sorts of funky stuff wrong with it to be fixed going forward, of course. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.